now on a beautiful Thursday morning, and we're on our way to New Manila to meet Mr. Wendell, who we met during Neo Classic, and he's a vintage car collector and restorer. So yun yung i-feature natin today. And this episode is we're very excited for this episode because the cars that we're going to feature are from old European cars and US cars na vintage na. And he restored it hindi ko masabing catalog build, pero he perfectly pagkaka-restore niya. It was an awesome restoration. Sobrang ang galing. Tapos, and we're very fortunate na he was able to accept our invitation to be featured here in our channel. And sobrang excited ako because these cars were no longer hindi na natin we seldom see them sa streets. Hindi na natin sila nakikita. So please enjoy. Please like and subscribe this channel so we can create more videos like this. And thank you very much for all your comments, for all your suggestions, and for all your for supporting this channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Have a nice day. Have a great weekend. Malapit na, weekend na, Thursday, Friday na bukas. Sa lahat ng friends natin, ng mga Chinese, Kong Hei Fat Choi sa inyo, and Happy New Year. And thank you very much. Have a great day. And God bless. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go. Alright, Jumps TV Media. It's a beautiful Thursday afternoon, and we're here dito sa bahay ni Sir Wendell. Sir Wendell, thank you very much for your time. Sobrang talaga thank you for having us here dito sa iyong... Guys, this is not a shop. This is his house. Okay, this is his garage. Alright, so I'm very excited to give you a little bit story. Si Sir Wendell, nakilala ko during Neo Classic, and I saw these two cars, plus yung Corvette. Ayan, yan yung video. Yan, nakilala ko si Sir. And Sir Wendell is very accommodative. Ang dami niyang kwento, ang dami na namin na pag-usapan, and I'm really happy and really an honor to meet you, Sir. It's a pleasure meeting you, Sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Boss Jones.
Thank you.
It's an honor for us to be interviewed. It's a vlog mo. Pero
Yes, sir.
Thank you for also finding time.
Yes, sir.
To
Really.
and feature anong meron tayo.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It's really a pleasure talaga. It's really also an honor for me. And as a car lover, si Sir on the next level.
Hindi naman
Sir, paano ka napasok sa kotse?
Well, this is my 29th year
Yes, sir.
doing cars. Started as a backyard shop. Started in 1996. Restoration. I still remember the very first car that I restored. It was started with a 1969 Ford Escort Mexico.
But just the first generation yata ng
Yes, RS 1600. So, mahilig po yung father ko sa ganung genre ng mga sasakyan o auto. So, yun yung yun yung naging stepping stone ko to build. Tapos, I've been doing cars since then. So,
Yun na, sir. Yun doon na talaga.
Different phases lang, but still in the automotive industry.
Which is you started the shop na rin, sir?
Yes, I started the shop, then for a brief time, we did exhaust systems, then I worked for Volvo.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Worked for Volvo, Ortigas. Then I got transferred to Peugeot, Ortigas.
Yes, sir.
Peugeot at that time was still under Auto France.
Uh-huh.
Then not what we have right now. Then I
Okay.
got transferred to Mazda Makati for a few months. Then I started the shop again, but this time I was specializing with Volvo cars.
With Volvo cars.
Yeah,
Okay.
so we started in 2005 until 2014, I think.
Yes,
Then slowly in 2013 we were moving into the shop was already moving into another direction. We were doing German cars na.
German, yeah,
We were
European
doing
cars.
Porsches, we were doing Lambos, we were doing Ferrari. So mga Italians. Then yeah, I guess the journey has been quite long.
Quite
but
long, yeah.
I mean, I no regrets.
No regrets, yeah.
No regrets,
Sir, you mentioned, sir, mostly German and European cars. What's with European cars that you love?
The styling or it appeals to me
Oh,
more
yes, sir.
than
Yeah, yeah.
any other brands.
Yes, sir.
I don't know, but yeah, I've always been inclined more to European
cars.
Yeah, siguro I think it's about the history of the cars and the
Yeah.
pedigree that it
Correct.
comes with. Now, for me, kasi I really love motorsports.
Yes, sir.
I love, don't get me wrong, I love watching motorsports.
Yes, sir.
Not taking part in motorsports, but European brands, since internal combustion engines was
yeah.
developed, the European car brands has been into motorsports, and that's their avenue.
Correct.
You know, improving the brand. So
Yeah.
I guess, yeah, dun po tayo na linya.
Malinya.
Yes.
And is it, nowadays, sir, since you started the shop, itong mga panahon na to, is it challenging nowadays?
Well,
In terms of shop or in terms of parts? Or?
no, definitely in terms of logistics, it's easier now.
Okay.
Because of the internet. When I started, I remember when I started restoring the 1969 na Mexico,
Mhm.
there was no internet. The internet was, at that time, maybe an email.
Oh, yeah.
But for you to
Or
order,
chat, no?
for you to order, you had to read. You had to, I had to,
Research.
yeah, I have magazines from abroad.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Then I would also have to write I remember I had to write to
write to the
multiple
suppliers?
British car company, car stores like
Car-
Demon Tweaks, etc. Yung mga papadala sila ng catalog. They will send you
Yes, sir.
catalog. Then that's where you will choose the parts that you want to order from. So
Oh, okay.
I remember this was in 1996. The Mexico had an RS 1600 engine.
Yes, sir.
The carbs, it was using Weber twin down 44 IDF.
Okay.
It was not common in the Philippines.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Usually dito twin side 45. Ito twin
45.
down 44.
Yeah. Yes.
It was to the specs of my father. I remember we were able to source the repair kit from Autoplus of San Francisco back in the day. So I had someone go to San Francisco. I had someone visit the old Autoplus store near the airport in San Francisco just to get the repair kits for the
Repair kit.
Weber. So at that time, syempre, hindi ka nakasabay. Diba? I mean,
Yeah.
pauwi, no? It's
Yes,
not
sir.
like today that you can order parts.
Yeah.
You order from the you can order from the
Internet.
internet and it's gonna arrive,
Yeah.
right? So that time it was easy. You had to be more patient
Okay.
that time. Yeah, it wasn't easy,
Uh-huh.
but now naman, since everything's almost available,
Yeah.
it's just that a lot of people are doing it also. So it's just
Yeah.
it's
That's your competition now. Parang ganon, yeah.
Makes it more fun. Actually.
Makes it more
Yeah.
fun and challenging.
Yeah, challenging.
Challenging.
Challenging. Yeah.
Wow.
So,
Alright.
Yeah.
Tapos yung that journey, sir. When you started this whole, did the clients already come or
No, I
you have
started.
to-
I started. No, syempre.
What was
I
your first
17
car?
Years old, I was 17 years old. Of course, I will not have clients.
Oh, yeah,
my
yeah.
age
What was
go
that?
to me? So I remember I would have some. I had classmates from school, yung mga college cars, yung mga first car nila, papagawa nila sa akin.
Yeah.
Yung mga klasikong nabangga in cars
Oh,
nila
yeah, oh.
na hindi nila alam ng mga magulang nila, kailangan mong gawin overnight kasi
Yung mabilis ang repair.
Oo, malalaman na nabangga. So, I started with that. Then, unti-unti, it was a journey. It was really a long journey, but that journey had a lot of stories. So, yun lang.
Yeah, oo.
It created a lot of memories.
Memories.
It had the stories na over time, if you come to think of it, it was...
Now it's not nostalgic na.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah.
It's fun.
It's fun. Yeah, true.
Yeah.
I mean, growing up during the 90s, no, sir? Cars was like,
Sabi ko sa inyo my knowledge about cars came from magazines.
yeah.
Those were my books.
Yeah.
So, I had to read. I had to learn. Then, internet came, so it was a lot easier na. But YouTube didn't start until I think 2004.
Yes, sir.
So there's
For
no,
some, yeah.
something. So internet, you would get to know the parts that you would look for. That time I was not in the European. The late 90s, medyo JDM pa
Yes,
yan,
sir,
no?
yeah.
So Google didn't have translate back then. So if you would, I remember I would have to look for, I would look into the Mazda A-Spec na catalog for the Mazda Familia 3, Mazda Speed, Familia
Mazda Speed,
3,
yes,
di ba? Walang
Google Translate.
So, hindi mo ma-translate yun. So, kailangan mo lang isipin mabuti, tingnan mo mabuti kung yun pa yung piyesang gagamit na sa auto mo. So, yung mga ganun, in that perspective, yeah.
So, compare dun sa yung time, if you could remember yung during that time in your car days during the 90s, anong difference ngayon? Did it evolve ba? Based on your observation. Kasi you also have a personal
Okay.
pero baka
This is just based on my
Yes,
opinion. Okay. Iba na yung laro ngayon.
okay.
Bakit po, Noong 90s, tandaan nyo, we were coming from, the economy wasn't like this.
Okay.
The Philippines was starting all over again during that time.
For globalization.
Yeah, so, I remember in 1995, 1996, ang cars were only, okay, this was the only cars that was sold. Okay. Compact series, okay. For Mazda, it had the Mazda Familia, the 323.
Yes, sir.
Honda had the Civic. This was still the EG.
Oh, EG, yes, sir.
Yeah. 1995, we're talking about 95. Because the EK came out in 96.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Then Mitsubishi had the Lancer. Then Nissan had the Sentra.
Yes, sir.
The
B13. Tama ba? Oh, no,
Series
SGX.
2. Series 2, because the Series 3 came out in 95.
Correct, yeah.
So yeah, then that's it.
Toyota
Then,
was...
Toyota had the Corolla. That was the big body,
body,
111. Ay, 101.
101, yeah.
101, no? Then, sa mid-size segment, Toyota had the Corona, Mazda had the 626, Honda had the Accord, Mitsubishi had the Galant.
Galant, yeah.
Then, am I missing something here?
Yun lang yun.
Because
Yes,
remember,
sir.
the Corona was used here before the Camry.
Yes, sir,
Camry
yeah.
was more of a US market.
US
So,
market, yeah.
Then, now, di ba, ngayon, well, that time, 1995, there was only a couple of European brands na locally available. Not Cats. It was still under Commercial Motors, had Mercedes.
Mercedes, yeah.
Then, Volvo
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yes,
was
sir.
under Viking, Scandinavian.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Okay,
I remember.
Then, Jaguar, I think, was starting. Then, Audi was under Auto Prominence Group.
Yeah.
BM was still under
Prestige.
Prestige.
Prestige
Yeah.
cars, yeah.
This was the time that BMWs were still being finally assembled in the Philippines.
Yes,
So,
yeah.
This was the E36. So,
E36.
di ba parang now, if you
Oh, no,
look
wait,
at the
sir.
segments-
E36 was made here in the Philippines,
Okay. This is that BMWs, because they had a plant here.
Oh, okay.
Dumarating sila, SKD, semi-knockdown.
Semi-knockdown, yeah.
Final assembly was the Philippines. Even Volvo, for a time, had SKD units coming into the Philippines.
Okay.
Because Volvo Philippines, Scandinavian Motors, is owned by Universal Motors.
Okay.
So they had
yeah,
a
yeah.
plant. So I think it was the S70 and V70 final assembly in the Philippines.
Oh, okay.
So it was
okay.
at that time we were getting investments to build cars. Before Thailand had monopoly of the cars.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Philippines was already
Oh, yeah.
yeah,
oh,
we were ahead
Oh,
at that,
yeah, that time.
At that time. So
Mhm.
yeah, tapos 'di ba parang now dati pag ng students dahil naka-slancer, diba, yung tatay, nakagalan, or nakagalan. Okay na yun.
Okay na, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, oh, yes, sir. Medyo well off na yung family, yeah.
Okay na, nag-316, ay, wow.
Yan,
Diba?
oo. True.
Tapos ngayon, you would see kids, baro agad,
Naka-evo.
Evo. Diba? I mean, so, the economy permits that you go to upper echelon of cars.
Yes.
You know, it's more premium, it's ano. So, but again,
So parang it matured na rin
it
in
matured.
terms
Yeah, it matured. We're not as our offered cars in the Philippines is not as vast as what is in the US or other
Sure.
first world Western countries.
Yes.
Diba? But we have, I think now we have a lot because eventually the Toyota, they phase out the Corona. They introduced the Camry, which eventually became the number one selling mid-size
Mid-size
segment
segment,
in
yeah,
the Philippines.
true.
So, yeah, it is. Tapos dati, you have a 2-liter engine. Wow.
Oh,
Remember?
sir.
I mean,
It's a big deal na eh. Parang,
yeah, mid-90s, you
yeah.
had a 2-liter engine.
Ah,
I remember I had a Toyota Corona ST191.
okay.
The engine of that was a 3S FE. It was a really slow engine.
Yeah.
It was reliable, but it was
That's
slow.
slow, yeah.
I did an engine swap. I put in a 3S GE, a second gen engine.
Oh, shoot.
At that time, the second gen was doing 177. That was already wow.
Wow, yeah.
At
During that time.
Now you have you see vlogs, you see dynos 300, 400.
Yeah.
I mean,
almost 600
yeah,
pa. Yeah.
it has evolved a lot.
And they call it street tune.
Now, before, if you go to I remember when Transport Show started, Hillside,
Yes, sir.
diba? Then moved to Mega
Oh,
Mall.
Mega Mall, yeah.
Before,
Car show was Phil
car
Site.
show, yeah,
During
Hillside,
that time, yeah.
Hillside.
Yes, sir.
Yung cars
Or
dati-
PICC, yeah.
Yeah, yung
yung area na yun.
Area na yun, yeah. Walang aircon yun.
Walang aircon, yeah.
Aircon yun. Tapos, the cars then, pagalingan talaga ng craftsmanship.
Yes. Oh, I remember.
Craftsmanship talaga. Ngayon kasi, it's totally different ball game. We have exotics already on display.
Yes.
And, I mean, not for anything, but if you crafted the car, restored it,
Yeah.
then you would go head-to-head competition against an Italian supercar.
True.
Medyo mahirap ma-justify yun.
Yes.
But again, it has evolved. And that's the way it has been. So, I mean, wala na po
Yeah,
tayo.
true.
We have to face it. We have to play with it. Diba?
Uh-huh.
So, yeah. But if you're going back to your question, the evolution? Oh, yeah, definitely.
Mhm.
I mean, before the car show, it was just all Civics. Now you have Ferraris, you have
Yeah.
Lambos, you have Porsches, you have
Yeah.
McLarens. Diba? Only there's still Civics, but not like what it
Not
used
like-
to be.
yes, sir.
So,
And the car setup before was accepted na yung stop, lowered. Tapos konting muffler na
yun
power
yung parang
flow.
tinatawag natin ng street look.
Street
Diba?
look, yeah.
Street look, yeah. Yes.
If I remember, yun yung naalala
Dati,
ko rin.
15-inch na wheels. Diba? Naka 15-inch wheels ka. Kasi remember, the early 90s to mid-90s, lowering springs was starting pa lang. So,
Yeah,
it was
yes,
like,
sir.
the first brands that were in the Philippines locally available. Of course, there was
Ibach.
Ibach.
Yeah, yes.
Then there was Tanabe.
Tanabe.
Tanabe had two models, the Super Down and the Super H.
Yeah.
Then Auto Plus came with the Escalier.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Then Kilton had I forgot the brand. Kilton
Yeah.
was offering Auto Springs.
Yeah.
Then there was a shop I think, if I'm not mistaken, this was in Tuason. Speed mode. Speed mode had
Yeah.
Jamex. Jamex is a, I think it's from the Netherlands.
Yeah.
Jamex, may isa pa. Ayun, I forgot na. Matanda na ako. So, hindi ko naman.
Guys, comment
Pero,
kayo kung alam nyo to help us
Yeah.
refresh dun sa mga...
Pero, ang hindi alam, ano noon dati, dati kasi, nung early 90s, mid 90s, you want to lower your car, you cut your springs.
Yes, sir.
So I know where to go. If you're from the south, you're from the south, you go to JP Wheels.
JP Wheels, yeah.
Yeah.
Shout out to JP Wheels.
Dito sa Quezon City, San Juan, Green Hills area, Northern Metro Manila. Kanya, may mga si Class A, may mga
Yes, sir.
may mga kanya-kanya shops.
Or- Personal na hiwa,
yeah.
sir. You
Or-
go to your welding shop.
Yeah, kakat mo. Tapos, meron pa nga ako nakita dati na uso, clamping. Which was... Sorry.
Oo.
I was really
Yeah.
to it. Yung iba nagko-compress.
Compress spring, yeah.
Auto, diba naka-Zapra yung kotse mo, nakapatong ka dun sa kanilang makeshift na lifter, iniinitan mo para bumaba yung ano, diba? So, siyempre, bata ka, hindi mo naiisip, yung tensile strength ng bakal, wala. So,
Pero
Those
thanks
were
for the
days.
import.
yeah, those
Yeah,
are the days.
import. Yeah, those were the days. Okay, sir. Recently, na-meet kita sa Neo Classic, diba? Congratulations to Neo Classic for successful.
Congratulations.
Sobrang galing.
Guys behind Neo Classic galing. It's nice to have avenues to feature builds.
Correct.
Like that.
Yeah. And for medias like us na
Oh yeah, definitely.
a place to
Congratulations
go.
you guys also.
Sobrang
You guys do
we're
great
happy.
featuring. Daming features. Galing.
Pictures
If you
and all
look
that.
if you Google it or YouTube it, daming features na.
Correct.
Yeah.
And we were really also thankful din sa inyong mga builders because you really exposed and you really shared your passion, you shared your, for me, like a car enthusiast like me, seeing these cars like those two Benz, it really remind me of my childhood days. I mean, talagang sobra kami talaga. Me personally, I started this channel because of you guys. Because I know there are a lot of people like you, sir, who are building cars and at the same time, walang avenue to showcase on the media. So we are so thankful talaga, sir. Sir, talking about car show, car scene, what's the difference back in the day? It's younger ba yung one?
No, I mean, market, siyempre, the car show scene will always be a younger man's market. Always. Of course, there would be the titos. Like, when I started, I was the young one. Now, I'm a senior.
Okay.
Diba? There are more senior than me, marami pa rin. Pero, I mean, it's always gonna attract the younger crowd.
Alright.
As you grow old, kasi generally, you modify less. I mean, for the enthusiast, for the regular enthusiast, car enthusiast, as they grow old, they mature more. Hindi na sila I'm sure more than half will not lower their cars anymore.
Oh, yeah.
Half will not put an exhaust system.
Yeah.
More than half will not tune it. I mean, probably they will, at least the wheels.
Yes.
But still, I mean, it's a younger generation's market always.
Okay.
Generally, yeah.
So, okay.
Now if it changed, it changed. Now you would see supercars, hypercars, exotics in car shows.
Yeah,
They
yes,
put,
sir.
Branded body kits.
Yeah.
Back then, it was just local. There was Atoy,
Yeah, yes, sir.
there was Starbright.
Yes. Starbright.
Yeah. Starbright was the first. I think Starbright was the first.
yeah,
It
yeah,
started in 1992 to 1991. So then Atoy came in. Then now you will see Warsteiner would have kits. Cristo has
Yeah.
kits. I mean, ang daming brands eh.
Yeah.
Tech Art has
Tech
kits.
Art, yeah.
I mean, for the JDM, there's there's Tandem. There's a lot. Yeah, there's a lot.
Okay.
So Now, syempre, like with kay Angie, there's RWD. So it's a
RWD, yeah.
Japanese, it's a European-inspired Japanese company
Mhm.
that specializes with Porsches. So
Yeah.
the market has really catapulted.
Catapult, yeah.
Yeah.
True. And it's really, now it's the cars that you don't see on a regular basis,
Mhm.
you'll see it on a car meet.
Yeah, which I think is very nice.
Very
because,
nice, yeah.
There's handful still takes
Correct,
pride
yeah.
in owning these cars, and I mean, there's always a
There's always a market,
There's
yeah.
always a market
True.
for everything.
Even car shops, car wash, I remember. Car wash is just like,
Yeah, car wash was just regular holy the car wash.
yeah, detailing was not really a big deal. Eh.
I remember
Di ba, sir?
before Meguiar's was in the Philippines, it was
Yeah.
Alec. Boss Alex started operations in Victoria Avenue in New Manila.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Okay.
I remember, yeah. Oh.
Before he started, I would remember, papabili ako ng mga Meguiar's, papabalik bayan box ko from the US para panggili. Kasi dati ang car care na brand meron lang sa Pilipinas
Is
Turtle Wax.
Turtle Box, yeah. Yes, sir.
Diba? Wala pa, before Mothers, wala pa si Renault noon, wala pa ano.
Tapos Armor All, sir.
Armor All, oo. So, di ba lahat ng dashboard dati, Armor All, diba? Kasi,
Sobrang dulas.
kasi kintab ng gel na hindi mo maintindihan, diba?
Yung ano,
Gloss finish talaga
Yes,
yun.
sir.
So, yeah.
pag may ka, madudulas na, sir.
So, I mean, eventually talaga, you got yun. That, unfortunately, he passed away. Then I remember, si Manolet Santos bought in Adams car care polishes. Very, very good product.
Adams, yeah.
Sila ni Anthony, but Manolet left us 2 years ago. But yeah, it has evolved. Now, marami na. There's chemical guys.
Chemical guys, yeah.
Yeah, there's Auto Fanatic.
Yes, sir.
Auto Fanatic.
MTX, sir.
MTX is a
MTX,
local company. Very, very good products.
Good, yeah,
They're
true.
affordable. But yun nga, wide scope na eh. Wide scope of products already. So, it depends on your budget and it depends what you're looking for. Before, magpipintura ka ng car, you're gonna need rubbing compound.
yeah,
Rubbing compound was RM rubbing compound.
RM, yeah.
Ngayon, you can use Manzerna.
Yeah. Oh, Manzerna.
So, I mean,
Oh, yeah.
it's evolved a lot.
Correct. Even sa painting ba, sir?
Yeah, I remember dati nung started finishing cars. Ang entry level na pintura was acrylic, RM acrylic or Nippon acrylic.
Oh, yes,
Then if you want two-stage, there was Anzal.
Ansal, yeah.
Kasi gagamitan na ng catalyst, di ba? Lahat ng car show dati, naka-Anzal. Then eventually, Anzal developed Anzal Car Show Clear.
Oh, yes, sir.
Di ba? Then, pumasok na si DuPont, pumasok na si RM Diamond,
Seekens, sir, di ba? Meron pa
Seekens under Tuason before.
Tuason, yeah.
Then,
The wet look pa nga yan.
Look, yeah. Then there was also Standox for a
Standox.
time.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Ditzler, 80s yan eh.
Ditzler,
Hindi
yeah.
na wala na yung Ditzler sa Philippines. Hindi na sila talaga nagbombole. So, then eventually DuPont became parang yun yung naging
Yeah,
nakilala
household.
talaga. Yeah.
Household brand, yeah.
Yeah.
So, yun. Alright.
The evolution, well, it's a continuous evolution. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Hindi lang Lancer Evolution na nag
yeah.
Even pati yung car cleaning, car care. I mean, nowadays, sabi nga nung cousin ko na nasa US, sabi niya, ang kotse daw sa Philippines, sa US, pag naka-detail, before
Malayo.
malinis lang.
Yeah.
Eh dito daw, parang daily driven, kailangan malinis. Yung concept, kailangan ganito.
Iba. Saka, syempre, I mean, to start with, cars sa Amerika kasi kahit 1 week hindi mo palinis, hindi naman siya dusty.
Yeah, so because
Dito,
of the
palinis
weather.
ako ngayong araw to bukas.
Lalo na sir, pag black na.
Nakakalik mo, kita mo na agad. So, yeah.
Okay. Ayun. Guys, ang dami ko pang gusto itanong kay sir. Ang dami ko pang gusto. Pero I don't wanna take much of your time kasi we want to know those cars behind na nasa likod natin na we're very happy na i-share ni sir sa atin the history of those cars. And sir, few words na lang. Your message to the well, to the new millennials or to the new generation of car guys?
Car guys is a hobby, is a passion. Like some people, hobby nila is to ride to go biking, mountain bike, road bikes. Some would like to iba-iba yung hobby eh.
Yes, sir.
Diecast, iba-iba ano. Pero this hobby is that you just continue. I mean, it's again at the end of the day, it's your taste eh. Modifying cars is to fit your taste on a car.
Okay.
So, walang tama, walang mali.
Mm.
Merong popular, merong unpopular. But at the end of the day, it's the owner's
So you
vision.
build it.
It's how you build it.
so,
I mean, it's there's no right or wrong.
correct. That's
So again, maraming opinionated, especially now with the internet. A lot of haters, a lot of
bashers stuff.
kasi di ba parang mas madali mag-bash
Correct.
kasi to appreciate.
True.
But as long as you build it the way you want it, and again, it's
It's your build. It's your
it's
car.
your build.
Yeah, true.
I mean, who do you have to impress? Only yourself.
Correct. Yeah.
So you build it the way you want it.
And the good thing is that you're able to share to
Give inspiration.
It's a very inspiration.
I mean, at the end of the day, it's wala na tayo lahat, nandiyan pa rin yung hobby. Eh.
Oh yeah, true.
So it's just that let's just enjoy it, diba?
Oh, talaga, I truly believe in passion is always an inspiration.
That's the but passion dies.
Yes.
So
Yan. Pero yun na nga, parang sobrang thank you. Sir, sobrang thank you talaga. Any shop that you wanna promote? Or any where they can reach
where
you?
you met me, we were at Neo Classic. We were
Yes, sir.
showcasing our we have vintage cars.
Mhm.
These are all pre-loved
Yes, sir.
vintage cars that 40 years or old
Mhm.
or older
Yeah.
that we imported, that's now available to be imported to the Philippines and
Mhm.
sold in the Philippines. So
Mhm.
2025 na yun. So 1985 or older cars are allowed. So
Yes, sir.
we have wide inventory of cars. Like we have a Datsun 240Z. I think this is a 72 Datsun 240Z. We have a 1980 Mercedes
Mercedes.
na 450 SL
Alright.
AMG package from the dealer. This is a Canadian dealer car.
Mhm.
Then on here is a 1977 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL din. So mga D8.
Yeah, what's up?
We have oldest car that we had was a 60.
Can you check the shirt, please? Walk around.
Yeah, sure.
Alright. Oh guys, we're going to check the car and introduce atin ni sir so you could see
Please,
it
yeah.
on detail.
Yeah.
Alright. Sir, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's really a pleasure. Sobrang thank you. Thank you. God bless, sir. Thank you very much. Guys, eto na. Alright, we're going to check eto, yung first work. Di, okay lang yun, sir. Oh guys, yun pala. Si sir also, yun, talking about the mags,
Yeah.
the rims,
Level 10.
level
Wheel
10.
repair specialist. We've been around since 2012. We
Okay.
specialize with our wheels, restoration, refinishes, customization. So, follow us on social media.
Yes,
We have
sir.
Instagram and we have Facebook. I don't have TikTok, but I think it's beyond my age. But I have Instagram and I have
But it's not too late to us.
yeah. But again, you can follow us on social media. Level 10 wheel repair specialist.
Yun, guys. Oh yeah, we'll put the, can we put the
Yeah,
answer
sure,
link?
sure.
Alright. So if you need refurbishing of rims from different brands, sir, no?
Yeah.
All brands.
All brands.
Okay.
Any damages, most of the time naman it's repairable.
Okay.
And we also customize, especially for car shows. We also do jobs kasi for the automotive dealers.
Okay.
We do for various car companies. So, again, we've been around since 2012.
2012,
So, yeah.
You master your craft already. Okay.
Di naman, but it's just that I really love what I'm doing.
Yeah.
So, luckily, we're still around.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Great. Congratulations. Oh yeah. This, sir. Let's start with this
Okay.
beautiful. Grabe.
So, this is a 1977 450 SL.
Uh-huh.
Originally, this was the spec that it came out in the factory, but when it arrived, when we imported this in the Philippines, it needed work, so we did some minor paint works.
Okay.
Then did a full interior restoration, changed everything. Yeah. So yeah, as much as possible, we like to keep it original. So like if you see the fog lamps, these are still the 1977 fog lamps the car came with.
Really?
Yeah.
So,
So
it, sir? Oh,
it
wow.
still has its character. It's not brand new, but it still is
in good shape.
workable,
Oh.
usable. Yeah.
Yeah.
So 1826 is our company name. So yeah.
Registered vintage.
Yeah, so yeah, the plate numbers there. So the LTO has yet to issue plates for the vintage cars, but we already have our allocated license plates.
Okay.
So like for this one, it's November Tango X-ray 1107.
This one, sir? Okay.
Number, yeah.
All right.
So this is for sale. This is again, it's a 77 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL na V8.
So parang you're just waiting for the actual plate, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I don't think. Since the vintage is kind of, it's not really a priority for the LTO. So, well, we can use it. But
Yeah.
It's just that we're using temporary plates.
Parang virtual plate, no, sir?
Yeah, parang vanity plates.
Mhm.
Then on this one is 1980 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL, again V8, but with this is an AMG package. It came from the factory this way. This is not an American car. This is this is a Canadian car. Came from
Okay.
the Canadian dealer with the AMG package. So this came in this condition already. Only thing we did in the Philippines was we tuned it up, changed some mechanical parts. Well, I put in new tires, yeah. So, new wheels to give it so it's blacked out. Well, kung tinatawagan nila ng mga dati, murder out. So, this
Murder
is-
out. Okay.
yeah. So,
Sir, but these two are same models.
yeah, these are same models. It's just that this is a 1977, this is a 1980.
80,
But this
okay.
is the Mercedes-Benz R107 series na SL.
Oh.
No, 107 kasi came out I think from 1971 to 1989. So it's one of the longest production Mercedes-Benz production cars talaga.
Oh, yeah, I
So
remember.
it came out in various engines. The last was I think the last engines was the 560 SL.
Okay.
Yeah, the 5.6. So
So this one, di ba, there's
the European models even had a 280.
Oh,
Sa
okay.
America there was a 350. There was a 350, there's a 450, and a 560. Marami naging engine variants.
Okay. So, but di ba may moniker to, sir? They call it Brookfields ba? Is it the Brookfields?
This car came out in a lot of movies.
Yes.
Yeah, Brookfields. The very first,
Ito ba
I
yun?
remember the very first Beverly Hills Cop.
Oh, Eddie Murphy.
Eddie Murphy, the movie, yung friend niya na girl from Beverly Hills,
Yeah.
was driving a red
This one.
107
Oh,
body
okay.
na SK. Yeah.
Ayan guys, sa inyo, no?
So, marami talaga siya. Sa Neo Classic, what's his name, may lumapit sa akin na TV personality and vlogger, sabi niya, di ba yan yung car din na ginamit sa casino? Yung winasak na movie. So, yeah, it's been around. Matagal kasi yung production life ng 107. So, talagang true classic talaga siya.
Tsaka naalala ko pa to, during the 80s, ito yung nasa cover album ni Rico J. Puno. That's why when I was...
Yes, that's
Di ba,
true.
sir?
Yes, that's true.
It's a maroon car like this.
Yeah.
Yun. This model.
Yeah.
Tama ba, sir? Tama, no?
Yes, I think it's correct. If you come here, so this is still the original, this is still the original interior. Of course, we just cleaned it up, detailed, pero still original.
Yes, sir. Alright, guys. We'll check the inside. Sir, hawakan ko, ha? It's really... Oh my God. Yeah.
This is still the original interior.
Okay.
Sorry, there's a buzzer because the car is, the way when the doors are open, may buzzer
May
sound
buzzer.
siya. So, if you see, ito yung alarm ng araw, no? Yun yung mga Clifford,
Code.
yung mga, ito, kailangan ko lang ikabit to. So, yeah, but it's still the same. This is still the original interior. So, the car weight.
sir, mention ko na, even the smell.
You know it's a classic when you
Yes, sir.
when you smell it.
Correct.
It's
sir.
really
Grabe,
vintage,
it's still, oh my God, I don't know, it's because of the leather or combination of the matte or, pero,
Yeah.
grabe.
But if you look
Same.
at that, if you open that, the 1977, since we did the full interior restoration on this one,
Okay.
eto, yung smell niya, medyo, ano na, pero it's still there.
Yan, sir, can I?
Yeah, sure, please.
Okay. Alright guys, ayan, makakahawak tayo ng vintage na Benz. Sir, this is already considered as vintage ba?
Yeah, this is vintage. This is 77. The vintage classification in the Philippines is a 40-year-old. So since it's 2025 now, we are 1985 or older is considered vintage.
Vintage, alright. O yan, good, okay.
So ito, full interior restoration na. We changed now. This is original MBTEX interior.
Sorry sir?
MBTEX.
MBTEX.
So this is the proprietary material used for Mercedes-Benz back in the day. It's kind of hard to source them now because, again, 40, 50, 60 years old already. We were still able to find some suppliers who still has the MBTEX material.
So is it challenging nowadays to restore a
As long as
condition?
you're a very patient person, you can do it. Again, it's easier now because logistically, you can order things from the internet.
So in terms of, you mentioned about patients, how long does it take, you know?
To fix a car, it depends.
Depends.
I mean, it really depends. Like for this one,
If budget is
I-
not an issue.
I think it took us like 7 months. For
7
this one.
months.
Yeah.
All right.
7
Okay.
months. It's not that bad, but like for you notice yung this is our trunk. I mean our bumper.
Okay.
This used to have dents. No, maraming dent yan. So maganda ang craftsmanship ng Pilipino na may mga gumagawa pa rin. It's not brand new, but it's still relatively okay. So mapapansin nyo, wala na dimples, wala na ano. The shine is not like what it used to be 1977 because again, na-repair na to eh. Locally, may mga, I like to consider them as artisans. Talaga, ang galing nila talaga
I agree.
mag-restore. May mga taong, pero sana magtuloy-tuloy pa rin yung mga gumagawa na gano'n.
Oo nga, I remember na-mention nga ni Sir Dominic Patsawan na sabi niya, yung mga latero daw back in the day,
Ang magaling yung mga yun.
magagaling. Tapos, kaso,
Electricians, latero, magaling yung mga yun natin.
kaso nagkakamatayan na daw.
Tingnan mo yung totoo, nakakatakot yung mga card. Kasi, mahirap na maghanap ngayon ng mekaniko na marunong mag-repair ng carburetor. Or
Oo
mag-tune
nga,
ng carburetor.
yeah.
Lahat ngayon, computer na lang eh.
I hope dun sa mga masters of carburetor, I hope maipasa nyo, makahanap
Yes.
kayo ng protege nyo to, you know, to continue this. I mean, yun yung aking ano lang. Kasi yun ang nagiging problema daw eh,
So like for
usually.
this one, all the stainless steel trims, we just polished it. Of course, hindi na siya brand new. But,
Oh, yeah.
I mean, then again, this also shows the character of the car. This car is 1977. So it's a
47-year-old car.
It's not bad. I mean, so, you go to your Starbucks, let's say for example, it's a Sunday, you go to car meet,
Yes, sir.
you probably see, go to BGC, di ba?
Yes, sir, yeah.
You probably see
On a Sunday.
20 Porsche, brand new Porsches,
Hmm.
10 brand new Ferraris or Lamborghinis, but you don't see this every day.
Correct.
You see this running. This one, I drive this around. If I have time, I drive it around. You know, like going to Neo Classic. I drove it all the way to Neo Classic. All of these cars. So these are all roadworthy. Our LTO, take note, is very strict nowadays that they will not give you a registration if your car is not roadworthy. So this goes through various inspections from the LTO para maging roadworthy. Even the horn.
Even the horn?
Yeah, if your horn doesn't work, they're not going to certify your car. Kasi vintage to eh.
Okay.
So it has to be really roadworthy for safety purposes.
Which is a good thing.
Yeah, which is a
Oh.
good thing. So, at least, diba? And syempre, some of the cars we get, luma na yung mga tires. So, like ito, we use, this Mercedes, this 1918 Mercedes 450 SL is using Conti Sport contact tires.
Mm-hmm.
While this one, using the hubcaps, is still using the Michelin naman. So at
Okay.
least yan, lahat bagong gulong na. I mean, safety.
Safety.
Siyempre, gumagana rin
Gumagana,
lahat.
yeah.
Yan, normal. Automatic sa Philippines, sabi ko nung tatanungin sa'yo ng mga clients mo.
Aircon ba to?
Aircon. Kailangan may aircon.
Yeah. Kasi back in the day daw, 90s yata, 80s yata, wala pa
Yeah,
yata.
so...
Aircon was an
dati,
option.
Yeah, aircon was an option. This one, a Datsun 240Z, has AC, it has aircon,
Okay.
it's drivable, it's ready. So
It's
you guys are
roadworthy.
looking for vintage cars, yeah, we have a variety of inventory that we have from European to American to Japanese.
Yeah, I hope there will be a part 2 kasi yun nga,
Oh,
para
definitely,
we could
I
share.
have to invite you to our
Thank you very
future
much, sir.
location, but
Thank
we
you.
have, so unfortunately, I don't have a vintage Porsche here right now.
Mm.
But we have in the other location.
Mhm.
So
Just check out yung the cars are
yeah,
already on
check us
your
out.
page.
Again, check us out also on social media. 1826 Motoring.
Mhm.
We have on Facebook and we have on Instagram.
Instagram.
No TikTok.
No TikTok.
Sorry, I still have to. Maybe my children will help me. with that.
Alright.
It's for another story someday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, sir. I know this is grabe. Sobrang thank you talaga. Sobrang thank you for sharing this and sharing your business, and at the same time,
Also, baka magtaka sila, bakit may mga iba tayong cars.
Oh, yan pala, yeah.
These are my client cars na for service kasi I still do cars on, may mga iba, hindi tayo,
Yes.
cannot say no
Yeah.
to some friends who
Correct.
want their personal touch of their cars. And like for this one, this used to be a show car back in the day. I think it was a show car. We competed this for Emma.
Emma,
I think in 2010, 11, 12.
After sounds
Yeah.
naman, sir.
Ito, champion to.
Okay.
But upgrade, naka-modify din, naka-wheels din, naka 18-inch, naka coilovers. Even the sway bars and this one is changed interior, kaso the client wanted back to stock for now. Kasi so we bought it back to stock.
So,
We refreshed it. So it's
okay.
a 2005-year-old car. We refreshed it. We bought it back to stock.
Okay.
Yeah. But still, you will still see some
Ay, oo nga, sir,
like
yung-
the carbon fiber
Yeah.
na
Side mirror.
The lip used to be carbon fiber, but now we na-damage na kasi. So now we just made it color-coded na same as the bumpers.
Body
to
color
match it,
na,
yeah.
sir, no?
Mhm.
Alright. Tapos, you also did this on your
Yeah,
shop?
yeah.
Okay.
It is also. So,
Alright.
this one, this is a 997 turbo.
This is-
997.1 turbo. So this is a manual. Medyo
Oh, wow.
last of its breed na. So this needs servicing. I need to do some electronics. May mga I need to check on this car.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, parang from engine lahat, sir, you also
Yeah,
do? From PMS?
From TMS, yes, sorry, if you can focus, makikita nyo marami tayong mga
Ayan.
kalat dyan, yun yung mga parts.
Nako, sir, a car guy would love that yang ganyang itsura. Definitely, that
Kalat,
kala.
so-
Well, it's not actually, parang, even tires, oh, yeah.
It's all, So I have a lot of kalat because again, this is my home, so medyo marami tayong kalat. Sorry for that. Hindi ako nakapag-ready. Hindi ko nagpalinis.
Si sir is also a Porsche enthusiast, no, sir?
Yes, I love Porsches, but yeah, I won't deny, I really love Porsches.
Sir, can we show them? Pwede ba?
Sure.
Alright, guys. Na-mention ko na si sir is a Porsche avid really fan. Ayan. And this is one of his collection. From the rims. Sir, yun nga pala. Anong rim yun?
This is the Fuchs wheels na signed by Nakay-san for WB, and this is the what you call the Porsche Lobsters for the 997. So Nakay-san and Angie was kind enough to
have it
allow
signed,
me
no?
to have
Oh,
it
no,
signed
yeah.
and autographed. Yeah. So
The last time he was here, sir?
yeah, the last time he was here, it was July. So mapapansin niyo yung mga cabinets
my-
ko, ang laman lang mga kahon ng mga dice.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Because it's all here.
Yeah. Some collectors kasi they wanted boxed. Ako no, I want to unbox everything. I want to see it every day. I want
Oh, he has the, ano sir, 1:8 scale ba to?
118 scale.
118 scale.
Yeah, so
Kasi you also have the one.
this one, the small ones, yeah.
132 scale.
So this one, collection ko. Hopefully, you can get to more vintage like us.
Yes, sir.
It's getting harder to source them. So
Yeah.
ito lang muna yung meron pa tayo. So,
Yes, it's very inspiring. Yes, the RW collection, no?
RWB, yeah.
RWB pala.
I appreciate RW builds, so maybe someday I can have an RWB car.
Yeah, it will come, sir. Definitely. Shout out to Nakaisan.
Nakaisan, thank you for signing some of
And
my
there's
RWB.
Angie King.
Yeah. Angie, thank you.
Yeah, thank you for introducing the Philippine car community to
Yeah.
RWB and bringing RWB here in the Philippines. All right. Oh guys,
Kapag laruan, mahirap.
mahirap na.
I like it. But soon it will come to I'm having a better display rack for this one. So actually it's over there. If you can view it, it's binubuo na. So maybe in a week or two tapos na.
Yung rack na yun, sir.
Yung
This rack.
na.
All right.
So it's gonna serve, I think, if I'm not mistaken, almost 100 cars.
100 cars. All right.
Yeah, so
All right.
still looking for the time to finish everything up.
Sobra. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Eh, gusto ko sana, sir, yung
Sige,
kilala.
you wanna see the
Yung wanna see
Doon tayo sa harapan.
doon sa harap. Okay. Guys, punta lang kami doon sa harap. Okay guys, this is another Porsche car which is owned by, na sir, you own this one.
Yeah. Well, yeah, this is not for sale.
Okay, yan.
Let me clarify. This car is not for sale.
And not a client's car.
This is my project. I have a lot of stories about,
Yeah.
when I built this car. This was the first Porsche that I said, realistically, back in the day when I was in college, I saw this up because I want to have one then. That day eventually came, so I restored it from ground up. This was
Grabe.
in a barbecue.
Barbecue, yeah.
Everything was removed. Everything was changed. The carpet, the underbelly was scraped, primed to this color. This is a change to. This is a Porsche PTS color. It's called the Signal Yellow.
Signal yellow.
So yeah. Then we had to source everything. The body kit is a Tech Art body kit, but since it's a couple of years old already, it's almost 30 years old. So we had to source. I think this, if I'm not mistaken, I got the front chin spoiler from Australia.
Pwede
The
ba?
side skirts and the rear. The side skirts was from the.
Ay, ito siya.
The side skirts was from the US.
Okay.
Then the diffuser and so the spoiler is from Canada. It's a company. I forgot the name of the company, but they do the spoilers for that one. Exhaust is from Super Sprint.
Oh, okay.
It's a full exhaust. So we try to change everything, even the emblems, the taillights. Now the roof was changed. The roof fabric was changed. The windshield was replaced kasi may mga white, parang wala ng wiper marks.
Okay.
I mean, it's old. So if you check out the interior, we also modified it.
Wow. Ayan, sir, may I,
Yeah, sure, please. So, we're using Recaro Sportster CS for this one. Race Eng
yeah.
na shifter handheld, tapos Ben Auto Designs na short shift cables, tapos quick release, even the gauges we changed. So
It's a touch of Mr. Wendell na.
so
Talaga.
it was a long process, but yeah, it was a long process. So multiple like the
Ano, sir, you did this on your shop also?
yeah, we did this in a friend's shop. It started in 2020. Then we changed the color, then unti-unti iba-iba yung gumawa din like the upholstery, I had my upholsterer do it. The sound system, I had Mickey Pascual of Mickey's Auto Sound did it. Yeah. For the Recaros, got it from Jeff Tan. But this is customized. So if you look at it, this was color keyed. Yeah.
Ay, sorry,
Yeah.
sir. Yeah.
So we had it color matched.
Oh, okay, alright.
Yeah. So that was the seat belts also changed. So lahat ng pwede palitan, pinalitan natin ang ilalim, suspension. Sorry, unfortunately, you can see the wheels. So the wheels is this is PPE,
Mhm.
3-piece wheel. So wheels, this is PPE
Okay.
na full Ford 3-piece S20.
S20.
S20. Tapos the big brakes highly customized by WP Pro,
Okay.
which so the lug nuts are titanium for weight savings. We try to use weight. I think for this car, we already lost around 120
Oh,
pounds.
really? Oh, wow.
Pounds lang, hindi sa kilos.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Trying to make it lightweight. It's not a fast car, but it's a fun car. So it's a well-balanced, it's a mid-engine,
Yeah.
well-balanced. Ang goal dito is to use it as daily as possible.
Daily as possible, yeah. And Porsche is known to be,
Oh, they're really reliable.
yes, sir.
Super reliable sila. So, yeah.
All right.
They just, yun lang, maintenance, change oil. Uh, nothing really, the suspension is really good. But since this one, again, when I built this, I want it to be as brand new as possible. So how it came out from the factory, or how I imagine it to come out from the factory, we changed
It's-
everything, the suspension, this is using Bilstein PSS9 coilovers, adjustable camber arms, polyurethane mounts.
From the works. All the works, yeah.
So, yeah, the purpose is, it's hard to maintain, it's hard to do service on this car because the engine's in the middle.
Oh, yes, sir. Yeah.
So there's no, you have to remove everything, or you have to bring down the engine to, so when you brought it down, pinalitan na namin lahat.
Lahat na,
The
yeah.
ILS bearings, the air water separators, everything.
Everything, yeah.
The hoses, the ignition coils, the spark plugs, lahat pinalitan
So,
na
kumbaga,
namin.
sir,
So,
it's like you're driving a brand new car.
almost a brand new
Almost
car,
a brand new
yeah.
car.
At least how I imagined it back in 1997.
In brand new condition with your own
Yeah,
preference
yeah,
and
yeah.
design and
Yeah.
touch. Wow. And the color's nice.
Yeah, thank you.
Grabe, oh. Oo nga, sabi, nakwento nga ni sir that this Porsche, which I don't really, hindi ko akalain, na this saved the company pala. This
Yeah,
particular Porsche. This,
In 1990, mid-90s, Porsche was already going bankrupt,
Mhm.
and they needed a car that can be available, can be sold to the worldwide market, na can give revenue to the company.
Yes, sir.
To revitalize it, because the 993, as nice as they are, were not selling as much as they wanted. So when they introduced it, this is a joint. Well, in a way, Toyota helped Porsche with this car.
build this one. Oh,
Because what Toyota did was they helped Porsche with the system to do what do you call this, yung production line.
Production line,
Yeah,
alright.
they did, then the 996 came out. Then eventually Porsche already had enough capital revenue again to survive. Then when the first generation Cayennes arrived, na boost talaga yung market nila. So now, because of the Boxer and because of the Cayenne, we are seeing a lot of GT3 RSS and turbos and GT2s, because this
car.
cars saved the brand.
Oh, this one, this two.
Yeah,
Oh,
no, this is a second gen. This is a second gen Cayenne naman. So,
Okay.
yeah, this is my
With personal touch
Yeah,
din, sir,
yeah.
no?
So this one,
Grabe. Very nice. Wow.
so yeah,
This drives on a V6, sir?
yeah, this is the base. So this is a Cayenne V6.
Okay.
Yeah. Not much. The only modification I did for this one was the wheels
The wheels
and the brakes. I changed
oh.
the brakes from I used the brakes of the turbo model, so that it's bigger. This is 390 NN.
Wow.
The stock was 365 or 370. The rear was 345. The front was 370. They changed it to 390. Well, not much, but I mean, it's additional performance.
Oh, yeah. And it adds more look
More
to
character
it.
to
Yeah. Character
the-
to the car, yeah.
Yeah,
Perfect.
So this is a Vorsteiner DFF 107 wheels. So, yeah.
Very nice, very nice. Sobrang very inspiring Sir Wendell when it comes to cars, and sharing his knowledge with all the history of the cars, and he owns and opening his garage to us. Sobrang thank you.
Yeah.
Yan, sir. Any advice, sir? People like me who wants to own a Porsche, what do we need to
Just be patient.
be
Just be
patient?
patient.
It will come.
It took me, it took a long while, but I was just patient and I kept my eye on the price. So sabi ko, eventually I would own one, I would build one. And when I got this in 2019, back then it was 2019, didn't look like this, but now it's 2025. So
It looks still, it looks
I mean,
anong pa rin.
we started doing the registration 2020. To be honest with you, until now, I don't think it's ever. I think it's
never-
already done, but
But it never stop.
feeling na kami mga content. So, unti-unti.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to display this into the Neo Classic.
Mhm.
But let's see. Hopefully,
In the next show,
because
yeah.
this one, this was through passion build.
Okay.
It's maybe I would say
Just
this-
the way you imagine
Yeah.
it. Oh.
So I think Porsche AG or Porsche Germany would appreciate this when they see this because we built this to every single bolt na kailangan talaga para
Okay.
So, yeah.
Oh, definitely. We'll do a link. We'll try to link with Porsche Germany for this car to be, I mean, to be appreciated by Porsche, the people who build this car, and of course, the way Sir Wendell built it. Sobrang thank you. All right, sir, thank you very much for your time. Thank you. Sobrang thank you. It's really an honor. Thank you very much. And I hope you still continue to inspire generations like me, people who love cars, and those who wants to go into cars.
Definitely. Just again, just be patient.
Yes.
Just be patient. Keep your eye on the price. Work until you get there. I mean, everybody has something to aspire to.
Aspire to, yeah. True.
Just so happened, I've been into cars long enough, so sabi ko to wala nang bentahan to. Probably to my,
You'll pass it on,
as possible, yeah. If I can put this on the wall, I put it on the wall. Yeah, this
This is your prized possession, sir.
is
No?
my build.
Build, yeah.
Build talaga to.
It has a signature of Sir
Kaya
Wendell.
sabi na, I mean, with how much time and effort and money was put into this car, pwede tayo bumili ng mas modern na 911.
Yeah.
But, again, it's a build.
Yes. And you love this model.
I cannot quantify the amount that I wanted to, or I put into this.
Yeah.
build. So,
So, all right. Sir Wendell, thank you very much for your time.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
John.
Thank you.
ha.
It's
Salamat
really a
po.
pleasure talaga
Yeah.
hearing you and sharing all this, your business and your, check out his Facebook
Yeah,
page.
yeah, we put social media links to
Yes.
the pages that we
Yes.
have 1826 motoring,
Yes.
level 10 wheel repair specialist, Porsche Parts Express. So,
So if you need vintage cars,
Yeah.
correct sir? Just contact.
vintage. Actually, you wanna talk cars, let's talk.
Yes sir. Sobra.
Marami tayong pag-usapan basta cars.
Sobra. Kung hindi lang talaga may lakad si sir o may ano pa, we'll talk until we ours. Alright, Joms TV Media here with Sir Wendell here at Quezon City. Thank you very much, sir. Have a great day. God bless.
Alright, thank you, sir.
More power to your shop and more customers.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day. God bless.